Cows. Yes, today's video is about cows. Cue the music. Hi everyone, it's Stephen here from the Flyby Guys. How are you all doing? And today we're talking about a story which has hit the press here in Finland today about an incident at a farm in central Finland. The incident in question caused deep distress to a lot of cows in the field and made them run towards a barn and caused some damage to that barn, not too much damage, and thankfully no damage to themselves. The farm owner, Elli Koskinen, witnessed the event, and she said that it was rather distressing to see these cows and didn't know what was actually happening until she seen a drone flying above the cows. This incident was first spotted on Facebook on Saturday morning and was sent to me quite a few times. It was shared over 5,000 times and received over 3,500 likes. The press then picked up on it and made a story of it, and thankfully it hasn't been blown too much out of proportion. The lesson learned here from the community is be very careful where you're flying. If you want to fly over a farm, contact the farmer and ask permission. It's always good to know that the person will be aware that you're flying. Like I said, the damage that was caused was quite minimal and there was no damage to the cows themselves, but the incident could have been a lot worse, and thankfully it wasn't. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Thanks everyone. Please hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and we'll see you next time. Fly safe.